Welcome to my channel. If you're looking for easy tips, smart hacks and expert advice on how to get the most out of your laptop and PC, or you're looking for where you can learn how to troubleshoot and fix common laptop issues, here is the right channel for you. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can master your first Windows laptop. So let's deep dive into it.
So with me here is Windows 7 laptop. This is how the GUI appears, the graphical user interface. But then if you are not sure about if this is Windows 7, all you need to do is to right click, okay, then you go to personalize. Make sure you bring out the basic desktop icons. You click on desktop, change desktop icons, then you check all these boxes, starting with computer, user file, network, recycle bin and control panel. Then you apply and click OK. So once that is done, close the windows. Then you come over here, right click on computer, then click on properties. This is where you figure out what operating system your laptop is using. As you can see here, this is Windows 7 Ultimate. And in this section too, you can find out some basic properties about your laptop. Talking about the processor, you can see it here. This one is Intel Atom. You can also see the clock speed here. Then the installed RAM is 2 gig, the system type 32 bit operating system. You can also find out if your system is activated in this section too. Then whatever setting you might want to make on your laptop, you can do that by clicking on control panel. This is a section where you can make any changes or adjustments to personalize your laptop to suit your needs. If you want to add user accounts, password, or set up parental control for any user, this is a section you do that. Then if you want to personalize your PC appearance, change the theme, change desktop background, or adjust the screen resolution, this is a section you do that. Then changing of the time and date and region, this is where you do it. Then if you want to have access to your on-screen keyboard and other settings, this is where you do it. Then if you want to uninstall programs, this section you do it. System security and network settings, these are the sections. Network and internet system security. So this is the section you do all of these, guys.
If you find this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you'll be among the first people that will be notified whenever I release videos such like this. And if there is anything you would love to know more about Windows 7, just let me know in the comment section and be rest assured I will be there to attend to your questions. So in my next video, I will teach you how you can master your Windows 8 laptop. So guys, see you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.